So, what is GIT? GIT is an inventory management system that focuses on inventory efficiency. By looking at the number of demand before setting up an inventory. GIT was first developed by Toyota manufacturing plants in 1986. And the point of GIT is to meet customer demand with the minimum delays. So, here are the objectives of this inventory management method. First is reduce waste, which in this case refers to a large amount of inventory. And the second is have precisely the right amount of components or materials on hand at any given moment, with as little idle inventory as possible. And the third is increase profit by maintaining low costs. And the last is increase the quality and the performance of the company in delivering the product.
Okay, so the next one is what makes it different. So in this context, what makes just-in-time methods or just-in-time manufacturing really different with the conventional methods or the traditional manufacturing system? So companies that applies a traditional inventory system seek to have enough inventory on hand so that their production may continue even when there are unexpected things happening. For instance, like an inventory shortage and also a shipping delays. And for the first differences between the just-in-time methods with the conventional methods is just-in-time methods or just-in-time manufacturing system is using a demand pull system. So a demand pull system is a demand-oriented view and it only focuses on reducing the waste, like a large amount of inventory, by only setting up inventory only to meet the existing demand. While the conventional method is using a demand push system. So a demand push system, it's like a forecasting inventory needs to meet the customer demands. So the companies will have to predict which product customers will purchase in a specific time and also determine the quantity of goods that are going to be purchased.
Okay, another difference between the just-in-time and conventional is the just-in-time have a low carrying cost. So low cost for keeping the inventory because the company has a little inventory. And then the conventional, it is a high carrying cost. So this high cost for keeping the inventory because the company has a high level of inventory on hand. And another difference between just-in-time and conventional is the just-in-time have a multi-skilled labor. So in order to reduce hiring and increase efficiency, a company with just-in-time needs to have a multi-skilled labor that can handle not only one or two departments, while the conventional have specialized labor. So the traditional method sees that an operation must be run by specialized labor in each of their departments, so each person works for one type of jobs.
Next, we're going to discuss about the Apple GIT conduct. Firstly, Apple has a large number of suppliers around the world, and the suppliers normally don't provide unprocessed materials. The suppliers normally distribute each of the components that have already been processed for an iPhone or Apple product. For example, the display is made in Japan, the battery is made in China, the dialog semiconductor is made in Germany, and etc. And the components will be shipped to China for assembly. And after that, after the iPhone is produced, the products are kept in China until 2 weeks before the launching of the product. Then what Apple does is distribute these phones with planes all around the world before the launch. then the products will arrive just in time before launching, and customers can immediately buy the products. Apple uses planes instead of ships because Apple wants the products to reach customer as soon as possible, which means minimum delay in meeting the customer demand,
and also means high turnover for apples.
Apple uses just-in-time method not only in producing its products, but also in selling their products. So one example is Apple Store. Apple stores are designed to have less space for supply, but more space for customers to hang out and experience their products. So if you go to an Apple store, you will most likely find that the place is massive and it is very well decorated with decorations and Apple products, as in this video. So as you can see on the clip, Apple stores are designed basically for the customers and not for supplies. And the purpose is to focus on building deeper relationships with the customers by giving that extra value. And the reason as to why Apple uses most of the space for customers and not supplies is because Apple wants to match the supply with the existing demand.
The first benefit that Apple gets by using just-in-time is Apple achieves high turnover because it quickly fulfills customer demand and it has minimum waste and delay, which means that the inventory management system is efficient. And the second benefit is that Apple achieves higher customer satisfaction and also customer loyalty because they are able to fulfill the demand efficiently. And the next benefit is that Apple will achieve higher profit because they surpasses the cost of production, also surpasses the carrying cost. And the last benefit is that Apple overall has a better control of its manufacturing process, leading to more flexibility towards the change in demand.